Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to tell you about the two courses which I have recently launched on my website. I have been working on making these courses for you guys for a very long time. And the first course which I have launched is a masterclass on nutrition. In this course, you will learn all about the macronutrients and the micronutrients and all about healthy eating. If you are someone who is interested in eating healthy and staying fit, you are definitely going to love this course. The second course which I have recently launched is called the Ultimate Body Transformation course. As the name suggests, the course is all about transforming your body and the steps you need to take. In this course, I also talk about portion sizes and meal prepping. I have covered very important topics in this course and I feel in this day and age, everyone should be aware of these things. I am going to launch more courses on nutrition, but the topics are going to be different. Like right now, I am currently working on a sports nutrition course. This course will help you achieve an athletic body and the kind of nutrition you should have if you play any sport. After that, I am going to launch another course on supplements. A lot of people are very confused about which supplements to take and how to take them and when to take them. So I am going to cover everything in that course. I am going to try and come up with even more interesting topics for you guys. If there is something you would like to learn about nutrition and fitness, please do let me know. I would love to make a course for you guys on that topic. All of these courses are available for purchase on my website, that is www.prernachadwani.com. After receiving an overwhelming response on my first course, that is the Masterclass on Nutrition, I have decided to launch a new batch every week. I cover a lot of interesting topics and there is a lot of information in these courses. And I don't want any one of you to miss it out. So that's it for today guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye-bye.